What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best mini drone through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the best mini drone, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with OFY F183 4K mini drone. It has headless mode, and you won't need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. Bringing itself to you will be easy with its one-touch return feature. With its built-in dual 4K camera, you will get video resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixel for both front and bottom cameras, photo resolution of 4096 by 2016 for both front and bottom cameras. It can capture stunning pictures and videos with these dual 4K camera. You can draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. It has an optical flow hovering system with one-key stabilization. Without throttle control or steering stick control, the flight can also maintain horizontal height, allowing for excellent image capture. It has one-key operation system that makes it simple to get started. It has one-key takeoff and landing function, and when you will get confronted with unexpected situations, a single touch can enable multifunctional operation. It has Wi-Fi map transmission feature for real-time aerial image viewing. If you download the official app, connect to the UAV's Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to control it completely from your phone. It has easy to install and remove modular high-capacity battery. With its 3.7 volts 1200 mAh UAV single battery, the flight time can reach about 12 minutes. Up next, we have KY907 4K Pro Mini Drone in our list. Because of having better light perception and clarity, the 4K HD dual camera is even better. Its 45-degree adjustable angle and 120-degree wide angle add the sugar in it. Free switching ability is also there for eye-soothing clips. It also has filter effect and beauty shoot feature in it. With its multi-directional intelligent obstacle avoidance system, you can enjoy amazing flights. It has three-way environment infrared sensing ability that can perceive obstacles when encountering obstacles and let you control them easily and simply. It is easy to fold and smaller and lighter in design. It is easier to carry because of being foldable, smaller, and lighter. The beautifully designed storage bag also helps it to carry. It is provided with a beautiful look and design. The stunning appearance of cross-time, more temperament double headlights made it look really good. The smart hovering effectively allows the aircraft to stay steady during the flight. It also has anti-shake function to prevent blurry aerial photography. The gesture photo feature is also there to take pictures responding to the gestures. During the flight, aim at the drone camera, and the corresponding gestures can be used to take pictures or videos. 50x zoom is also there to acknowledge exclusive details. With its 800 mAh battery capacity, it can provide battery life of about 15 minutes. The very next 4K mini drone, we have QLX K61C7 mini drone. It has 4K high-definition picture quality to provide quality shots. It will let you have clearly reproduced scenes and smooth, detailed images. It has infrared obstacle avoidance, so that you can make flight without worry. It has 360-degree automatic detection of surrounding obstacles to prevent collisions, scratching, crash damage prevention, and more freedom of flight. It can be folded rightly because it has the classic three-dimensional folding design that feels right in your hand and guarantees stability in flight even after thousands of folds. When folded, the aircraft is the size of a mobile phone, which will let you easily hold it in one hand. It has optical flow positioning and barometric altitude fixing stable hovering flight feature. These features will provide you with stable hovering indoors and outdoors, and can be controlled in seconds by the novice. It has 4K image transfer feature that will let you enjoy the view from far away. You can watch the drones from far away via your mobile phone, and the images are transmitted in high definition. One-touch controls. It has one-touch controls, so it will be easy to navigate for newcomers too. Its easy-to-use control system with multiple one-touch controls are easy to use, even for beginners. It has 360-degree tumbling flight feature, and we all know that fancy flying is even cooler. It will let you fly as you like, more than just the same viewpoint. It will let you switch between point of flight and follow-around modes. The flight experience has been upgraded with a wide range of options for aerial photography. With the app, you can click on the gesture photo mode and take a photo with just one gesture. It has 1,200 mAh increased capacity modular battery for long and stable life. It can provide you about 12 minutes of flight time. Furthermore, we have Keelead KF6154K mini drone in our list. It adopts a new generation of simple flight system, which is designed for beginners to experience a variety of rookie operation settings. It is easy to get started in 1 minute, and even inexperienced beginners can easily control the flight aerial photography. It has collision protection ring to reduce the damage caused by aircraft impacts. It also protects the operator from being scratched. It can do easy switch between its high-definition dual camera. Because of having large range shooting ability, freely being able to capture a wider field of vision, and switching between dual cameras, aerial photography is no longer limited. Through the mobile phone, you can watch high-definition aerial pictures in real time, feel the world from different angles, and experience from an excellent perspective. Its stable and intelligent flight positioning system gives the drone optical flow positioning and ability to have stable hover, making it easier for beginners to control. We can finish it up with CEVENNESFE S8000 4K mini drone. It has a three-dimensional folding design that makes it incredibly easy to take with you wherever you go. The aircraft adopts the classic three-dimensional folding design, which feels just right. It's made in a way that even after thousands of folding, it can still guarantee the stability of the flight. You can fold it into a size of a mobile phone. This powerful drone has 4K dual camera that captures stunning photos and videos in crystal clear quality. You can use it to capture amazing aerial shots or create stunning videos of your travels. Whether you're looking for a novelty gift or an essential tool for your filmmaking arsenal, the CEVENNESFE S8000 drone is a must-have. With high-definition lens and real-time image transmission, you can preserve your memories with wonderful quality. It captures stunning 120-degree ultra-wide-angle footage that is simply amazing. You can capture everything with a great wide view. It is a perfect tool for capturing stunning optical flow visual hover footage. With its advanced stabilization and flight controls, it's easy to create incredible footage that accurately captures the movement of your subjects. You can maintain the height with this feature, which is needed in some situations. With high-definition image transmission, it will give you a more friendly viewing experience to enjoy the wonderful journey of aerial photography. By connecting the drone with your phone, the drone can be fully controlled easily. With its compact and lightweight size, you can fly it indoors or outdoors, making it perfect for capturing stunning video and photos. With a 20-minute flight time, this drone is perfect for capturing beautiful aerial footage or photos. If you liked the video and it helped you anyway, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys in later.